Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve this problem. Now this problem we are going to solve by integration by parts method. Okay. So for that we need first function and second function. So for that I am doing this kind of calculation. I am writing this x square as x into x, and at the same time I am multiplying cos x in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So cos x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x whole square and dx is there. Now I am going to take x by cos x this as a first function and x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square this as the second function. Okay. Now just apply the by parts rule. Okay. So what is that rule? That rule is first function into integration of the second minus integration of the differentiation of the first function into integration of the second function. So first function is x by cos x into integration of the second function. So x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Okay. And then minus integration of differentiation of the first function, which is going to be x by cos x, and integration x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Sorry, dx will be outside of this bracket, dx. Okay. Up to this I have just applied the formula, nothing else. Okay. Now we need this integration, right? Here also the same integration is there. So that integration I have already done it. Okay. So this is that integration, I have already done it. This integration is a very small integration. Okay. Here you just need to apply the substitution method of integration. Here I am substituting the denominator, actually the term inside the bracket, by z, and if you just differentiate it, it is going to be x cos x dx equal to dz. So which is already present in the numerator. So this whole big integration will be a very smaller integration, which is dz by z square, and if you just apply the formula, it is going to be minus 1 by z, and you just substitute the value of z again. Okay. So this integration, the integration is minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x. So I am going to substitute this value into our main problem. I have already made a video on this. Okay. You please go and watch. That link will be provided in the description box of this video. Okay. So here we are going to substitute that integrations value. Okay. So there it was a minus. So minus x cos x by x, not x, it is cos x plus x sin x. Okay. And we have a minus here, and this is, so this is going to be, okay. So first do the differentiation of this function, which is going to be integration of, if you just apply the simple differentiation formula, which is going to be differentiation of u by v formula. So you will get cos x plus x sin x divided by cos square x. Okay. And here we already know the value of this integration. So there we had a minus. So this minus will be plus, and it is finally going to be cos x plus x sin x, and dx is there. These two quantity will get cancelled because they are the same quantity, and 1 by cos square x, that is going to be sec square x. So we are finally having minus x cos x by cos x plus x sin x and integration of sec square x dx. So what is that integration? It is going to be tan x, that is the formula. So minus x cos x plus x sin x plus tan x plus c. C is the integration constant because this is an indefinite integral, isn't it? So now, so this is actually done. So you can further simplify it by writing this tan as sine by cos and then do the LCM. It will be more simplified version of this answer. So let's do it. X by cos x and then cos x plus x sine x, and this is going to be sine x by cos x, and this plus c will be there. So you just do the LCM. LCM will be cos x into cos x plus x sine x, and this will be multiplied here. So it is finally minus x plus x sine square x plus sine x into cos x divided by this numerator, which is the LCM, and plus c is there. Now here you can see, if you take x common, so it will be 1 sine square minus 1, so it is going to be minus cos square, isn't it? And this sine x cos x is already there, so it is going to be sine x cos x minus x cos square x divided by cos x and cos x plus x sine x plus c. So here if you take cos x common, that cos x will get cancelled with this cos x. Okay, so finally you will have sine x minus x cos x divided by cos x plus x sine x plus c. So this will be the final answer. Okay, so these are just calculation, you can do it on your own. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video.